Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. I'm going to call this a fantastic Friday. Last night we had some fun. I prepared. Remember, I didn't technically cook yesterday, not with heat. I'm not going to attempt the Spanish, but I put together a Mexican shrimp cocktail, and I used the major portion of a English cucumber to make Asian cucumbers, which is one of the house favorites, usually in the summer. We just dug in. We just put two bowls between us, and with forks and corn chips, and just went at it. Yeah, it was a good time. Very relaxed, and I basically took the night off. I'll get some other stuff posted up from yesterday today. Yeah, tonight. I am doing the instructions for this next recipe that I'm doing tonight is horrible. So I'm doing it my own. Yeah. Oh, ancestors. The ancestors are going to help me. But it's a creamy chicken and corn pasta with bacon. Like I said, it's not the ingredients that's the problem. It's the way Yeah. So, let's get to it. Double Dutch ovens. 2. Chicken thighs, bacon, corn. I'm doing a tricolor rotini. This is kind of a leftover, because it's Friday. You typically do this on Friday or Saturdays. I'm using up some of the fresh stuff in the cold box. Possibly a jalapeno, which I will dice. The leftover mushrooms from the tortilla taco meat lovers fun stuff we did. I have about a half of a red bell pepper. I'll dice up some onion or chop, dice. Yeah. Of course, there's going to be some garlic, kosher salt, black pepper. There's about a cup or so of Parmesan cheese in this. And probably going to be using some of the local spiceries, chipotle chili powder, and some of their Italian herb blend, and local spiceries smoked paprika. So we got a whole smoke thing going on here. So yeah, that's my Friday. If I haven't done it, but I'm going to do it now. Next week's menu. I don't always do this on camera. I'm going to read the list here. In no order. Arroz Imperial, which is a wonderful Latin dish that Robin found. I'm finally getting to it. A Reuben soup. If you remember, I bought a can. It's a can of corned beef at Super X. That's going to go in the Reuben soup. And then there's a Caribbean beef curry with potatoes. A fried cabbage with spinach, sausage, and bacon. A teriyaki chicken avocado rice stack. That just looks like fun. That's a challenge. And creamy shrimp pasta with mushrooms. It's a shrimp week. I got lots of shrimp last week when I shopped. And paprika shrimp. This one I'm going to play with. When I saw it, I'm like, okay, I can have fun with this one. This one, I will totally make my own, casual chef it all the way up, and so forth. So yeah, that's next week. That's the fun, the goodies before we go super simple for Thanksgiving week, before the big feast. So yeah. So on this fantastic Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.